Hi, let me show you how to start options trading from scratch in 3 simple steps, even if you never traded before. Over the next 5 minutes, I'm going to walk you through 3 simple steps to start trading the US markets with a leverage, and the reason why most people consider options trading challenging and overwhelming, ending up missing on a life-changing opportunity. Because likely you don't know how to get started with options trading, how about I give you a cheat sheet with detailed step-by-step instructions to get you started right away? Drop me a line below and reach out and send you my checklist. No opt-in, no email required, just free actionable information you can use right away. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Flavian Barrett. I'm your favorite self-made option trading strategist and the owner of OptionsMasterTrader.com, where I teach traders and investors like you how to get tangible results in the financial market and leverage your money fast. No fluff, no BS, just straight-off trading strategies that you can implement after watching every single one of my videos. Today, I'm going to give you 3 simple steps which will help you get started with options trading right away, even if you don't have any experience whatsoever. The first thing you need to trade option is a brokerage account. This is an investment account that allows you to buy and sell a variety of investments, such as stocks, options, bonds, mutual funds, and ETFs. A broker is an intermediary who connects a seller and a buyer to facilitate a transaction. Think of a brokerage account as the cockpit from where you can place your trades. Now, if you've been trading for a while, you already have a brokerage account, and this is absolutely fine. Instead, if you are a total newbie and do not have a broker yet, then you will need to have one to buy and sell stocks or options. Just right below instructions, and I will walk you through step by step on this process. Second, to trade options, you need an options management software. Think of this instead as a professional dashboard from where you can make all your analysis, plan your trades, create all your trading strategies, and monitor them. The tool I've been using for my trading for over 10 years is called Options Analysis, and it's incredible. Now you can trade options even without this software, but here's the thing. Your broker won't give you a deep insight into your trades and strategies, while Options Analysis will give you all the features to properly analyze, both graphically and with numbers, everything. This software is a total game changer, which will not only make it easier for you to understand and trade complex option strategies, but will also increase substantially the chances of success on your trades. Send me a message, I will give you step-by-step instructions on how you can open an account with them. Third, once your brokerage and options analysis accounts are up and running, you can actually start trading options by either buying a call or a put. Option trading is an investor's favorite for 2 main reasons. First, options offer extreme flexibility, giving you access to countless strategies and the ability to benefit from any market conditions. Second, options offer great financial leverage as each contract gives you the ability to control 100 shares of a particular asset. What is fascinating is that options, known as derivative assets, were born as a hedging tool to protect investors against unforeseen market scenarios. Most traders are not aware of this and use options for speculative purposes only. The reality is that options are one of the most advanced trading tools on the planet, but there is a high factor of risk associated with them. As a matter of fact, being an options trader means becoming like a risk manager. And from within the options analysis dashboard, we take the guesswork out of the equation and play advanced option strategies by the numbers, adapting over time to the price action of the underlying security. My goal as an options trader and coach is to help you implement these strategies, getting laser focused on achieving measurable results. Because you likely are eager to explore options trading, I'm very happy to give you detailed step-by-step instructions on how to buy call and put options inside the options analysis software. Drop me a line below and I'll reach out and send you my checklist. Happy trading!